Hey guys, this is Brad from Earlywood. What I've got here is our dumpling pin. We've been selling this one here for a number of years. This is our 20-inch French rolling pin. This is a two-hander. You've got to use two hands with this. We've gotten requests over the years for a smaller pin, something you could use with one hand for dumplings or fine pastries, or even fondant if you're a cake decorator. So these things are small enough at 9 inches long and 1 inch in diameter that you can use it with one hand really comfortably. If you ever find yourself making some cookies or making a pie with a little one, you can give them this and they can have fun rolling this one themselves. Just like our larger pins, they come in 3 different woods. We've got solid Jatoba, solid hard maple, and then the gem combo, which is the Jatoba maple ebony combo with the stripe down the middle. So if you've ever found yourself wishing you had a smaller rolling pin, pick up one of these. I think they might be just what you're looking for.